Well, hello, Gloria. You just came in today to get your hearing aids cleaned up. How did that go for you?
Wonderful. What a surprise.
What did you expect and what did you experience here?
Well, I didn't expect what I received. I'm really surprised. They took me in good hands and they really gave me a lookout, if I can use that word. And I was shocked because the people here are very, very nice. And I would recommend them highly. In fact, I wish I could take him with me and Sherry because I'm moving to Arizona.
So you feel like you're hearing better just with
Yes.
your hearing aids cleaned up?
Yes.
Okay. And then we also took wax out of your ears.
Yeah, and I tell you that was very interesting. First time I ever had that happen.
Had you ever seen inside of your ears before?
Yes, with Ben.
Okay, so with Dr. Kapersky
Yes.
here years ago.
Uh-huh.
Well, good. So you got to look at your eardrums today and got to see the wax come out too.
A new adventure.
It is. Well, thanks for taking a few minutes with us. It's been a pleasure to work with you.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you.